And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 269. Let me show you this multi-stroke text effect. First up, we use the type tool, left click on your canvas, type in some text. And under the properties of this layer, you can adjust the font and the size. If this is totally new to you, check out my Photoshop playlist. I've made in-depth videos about that. In general, this stroke effect works on all fonts. Let me go with Arial Black, everyone has that, and I size it up to 50. Then Ctrl A, move to is active, and I center it. Let me give the background a different color so that we can see it better. I'll make it red via the bucket fill tool. And now we can actually start. Right click on your text layer and find the blending options. Here we need the stroke. If you can't see the stroke, just go to the bottom where it says FX, click on it and then reset to default list. And now you should see the stroke. We can check its box and then left click on the stroke where we can adjust it. Let me make that white and you can see it now on this red background, and adjust the size. Let me go higher to 15, and the position is important. I want to set it to outside because otherwise it's going to paint over my font. So you can set that to center, where it's cut in half. Then half of it will paint over your font inside, everything will paint over your font or outside. In this case, outside is what we need, and I make it 20, that fits our font size. Now I click on this plus sign for stroke, which gives us a new stroke. I change its color to black, and now I make the size 40. So I double my original, and this gives us another 20 pixel stroke, and I repeat now. So always click on the plus sign, then make it white, 60 pixels. Click on the plus sign, make it black, 80 pixels, and so forth. At some point we will hit a limit. So currently you can only add 10 strokes right here in this blending options menu, and then this option will be grayed out. So there is no plus sign to click anymore, but we can still add strokes. To do that, we'll simply confirm via OK. And now you can see the effects are all added to this layer. But we can simply create a group now. Just click on this folder icon down here, should be called group 1 by default. Then drag your text layer inside of it. So just left click and drag. And now we open the folder and we right click on our text layer. And here we need this option right here, copy layer style. Left click on it, switch to the folder, so our group 1, right click on it, and then find paste layer style. And this will now paste our layer style to the folder. And you can already see this gives us more strokes. To fill the entire canvas, we simply repeat that. So we create a new folder, should be group 2 by default. We drag and drop our group 1 folder into it. Now we right click on the group 2, paste layer style. We wait a little bit, we're almost there. We just need one more folder. Group 3, we drag group 2 inside, right click on group 3, paste layer style. Keep in mind, the more you add, so the more strokes we've got here, the longer it will take to get processed. And if you want to adjust it, you can still do that. Just find the text layer. So we have to open all of our folders here. And then we can still use the type tool, left click on your text and then adjust it. But now it's gonna take a lot of time to get processed because there are so many strokes that need to get rendered. So a good idea is to make sure that you've got the text that you need up front before you add a stroke. So make all of these adjustments, for example, the font, the style, the size, and obviously the text itself. Make sure that you've done that before you apply your strokes. It's going to make your life way easier. And this is how you can create this multi-stroke effect in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.